This is the Mustang. It's a 1966. Really clean. It's got no rust anywhere. It's been completely restored, ground up. And I got about 9 months it took me to completely restore this. I figure at $50 an hour times the amount of hours I've got invested in this and the mechanical and the paint job, I probably got about $30,000 to $35,000 in labor alone. I have a complete breakdown of all the parts. I've spent about $20,000 in parts and paint for it. It's ready to go, turnkey, everything works on it. It's a beautiful car, all new, blacked out everywhere, all new chrome. The door handles, the mirrors, the front and rear bumpers, they were all brand new chrome. I sanded them down, sandblasted them, painted them, and blacked everything out. It's got new weather strip around the entire car. Every piece of weather strip on the car has been replaced around all the windows. I took the folding windows out completely apart and put all new weather strip inside there. It's got new window regulators in the front, new window rollers. The regulators were fine in the back, but I put all new rollers in the back. So the windows roll up and down super easy. A 6-year-old can roll them up and down, no problem. They're not stiff. It's got all new felt in it, new interior, new bezels, new dash. Everything in the interior has been replaced. New gas pedal, new brake pad, LED lights. The only thing I haven't done is the steering wheel because I haven't decided what I really like so far, but I will be putting the steering wheel in it. You can hear the doors shut. They're really solid. Doors shut really good. Lines are clean on it. It's got new Cobras all the way around. It's got, what's it got on here? It's got two 15s, 60-15s in the front, and on the back it has, what did I put on the back here? Two 235 60-15, 235 60-15 on the rear. They're pretty wide tires, but they fit nice. They look nice. New brakes all the way around. It's got a new Demon carburetor. It's got roller lifters in it, new cam, aluminum intake manifold, new alternator, new power steering pump, all new belts and hoses, all new wires and plugs, complete wiring system for the front end has all been done, new horns, aluminum radiator. I custom did all this on the hood with boom mat, so it's really quiet. Again, everything's been blacked out and gold plate, not gold plated, but painted gold. Everything that you see that was blacked out was chrome. I sandblasted it in my sandblaster and then painted them. All the mirrors, door handles, front and rear bumpers. As you can see, it's a pretty clean car. It's got dual exhaust on it, stainless steel front to back, X-pipe on it, new brakes all the way around. It's got new shocks all the way around, braided AN lines for the transmission. Too many little things to go over in this video so quickly, but it's a pretty clean car. So whoever buys it's going to have something super clean. It's got boom mat all the way underneath for sound deadener in the door panels and in underneath on the floorboard, so that it sounds real quiet inside the car. There's another video. I made a video of the engine running, so you'll have that with it.